Microsoft Azure. In this video, we'll be taking a quick look at what Azure is, how it's used, and how you can get started with it. It offers a wide range of services, including compute, storage, networking, databases, analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Azure can be used to build and deploy applications, websites, and mobile services. It can also be used to store data, run big data analytics, and build machine learning models. How is Azure used? Azure is used by businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. It's also used by governments, educational institutions, and non-profit organizations. Some of the ways that Azure is used include building and deploying applications, running websites and mobile services, storing data, running big data analytics, building machine learning models, developing artificial intelligence applications. If you're interested in getting started with Azure, there are a few things you need to do. First, you need to create an Azure account. You can do this for free by visiting the Azure website. Once you have an account, you can start exploring the different Azure services. There are a number of resources available to help you learn about Azure. Microsoft offers a number of tutorials and documentation. There are also a number of third-party resources available. That's a quick overview of Azure. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of what it is and how it can be used. If you're interested in learning more, I encourage you to visit the Azure website or check out some of the resources that I mentioned.